Today I'm making a cold soup. It's hot out and a cold soup is a perfect lunch for a hot day. Here are the ingredients. I've got a lot of cucumber. I've had a zucchini in the yard, found a carrot, a couple of tomatoes and some onion. In addition, to make it creamy, an avocado. All you need is a blender and you just chop these vegetables into rough bits and pieces. Start with something that contains a lot of liquid like the cucumber or the tomatoes, because that gets your blender started easier. We do not add any liquid to this, so all the liquid comes out of the vegetables. So just a quick rough chop will do the trick nicely. The rest will be done by your blender. Tomatoes and cucumbers are always the base of this dish. So that's what provides the structure, and beyond that, you can essentially add whatever vegetables you have in the fridge that are suitable for eating raw. And this was already all the prep work there is to do. That's what, 5 minutes? And all we're gonna do is toss some of the more moist vegetables into the bottom, like tomatoes and cucumbers. That will get you started with a base liquid. And then everything that's hard and tough goes on top, like the carrots. Oops, you stay here. See what I mean with getting it started? Of course, you could chop this a lot smaller and it would be easier. You can also just use a spoon and shove things down till they get started. Pulsing actually helps with that whole getting started process. Okay, now we have a base. Now we can add on simply everything else. There goes the avocado. Okay, for seasonings, let's add a good amount of salt. I would say maybe start with a teaspoon and then just sample it. And you need some oil, and that's preferably extra virgin olive oil. Not only gives you some flavor, but the oil is needed for your body to absorb some of the nutrients in here. So let me see how this tastes. It's nice, but it could be nicer. So it needs a little bit more salt. And I think it would do quite well with a little bit of cayenne and give it some heat. Of course, that's totally optional. You know it's gonna taste good. So now you just toss in a few ice cubes and then you just blend this on high for another 30 seconds. Do some final adjustments. Still some more salt. And I think it could use some acidity. So let me quickly use some lemon juice here. Half a lemon will do easily. And there you have it. Perfect. 10-minute lunch, healthy, quick and easy. To go with that, some baguette or something like that, whatever type of bread you like. I've got one of these take home and bake ciabatta breads. I popped that in the oven and toasted it, and there's gonna be lunch. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.